watching lightning in the air, golden little hills, and it's waiting for me there. So I got this finally done to where we can play it, and it's built from scrap material I had laying around the shop. The neck is piano wood. Of course you have a broken piano laying around the shop, so I used some of the frame of the piano and made the neck out of it. And the body is pine, from like a 2x6 pine board that was nicely quarter sawn, and then I did the archtop carving on that. The part of the sides is another piece of pine from a shelf from my mom's garage, and the back is some scrap walnut and mahogany from other builds, and I laminated together with a little stringer of cedar and walnut. The tail block is hard maple, and so is the neck block in here. You can't see it. And then this side is Cadillocks from another build that's left over, because I tried doing the pine, but when I bent this side it cracked. It failed on me, so I ended up doing it with this piece. So I got it glued together. You know, we did a little bit of a recurve in here. The top's maybe a little thick, so on my next one I'm gonna make the top a little thinner, make the body a little wider for a deeper tone, and then maybe the neck a little thinner. Although I don't mind a chunky neck because I have big hands, so. And maybe improve the neck angle because the saddle is really high, because this neck angle's maybe a little steeper than I meant to make it. So, and the saddle is it's actually a mandolin bridge, but with a piece of ebony from a block that I had. But it works. It's like a cello bridge. It's really high, and it has some good sustain. The Archtop Rocket Acoustic. So it has great sustain, and it's nice and loud, so it'll be a great guitar for jam sessions. pleasure to make stuff out of nothing and then play it later. So that's what I do. And plus I fix the broken things that nobody cares about. Like, for example, coming up soon, I have this Harmony 319 12390000. So I'll do a little homework. Chicago, Illinois. So made in America. The back is pretty well cracked up, but the rest seems okay. Like the bridge is actually it's lifting a little bit, but we'll repair this one. Like, this is one of those guitars that people, take to the thrift store because they don't know what to do with it. And it's one of those that nobody wants to spend the money to fix it up. But I like fixing them because then I learn how to fix guitars better and find a home for it with a student guitarist that will really enjoy this thing. Because they're well-built guitars from days of old. They just need a little help. So I'll leave the top, but I'm going to take the back off and maybe check the bracing on the top and then just maybe replace the back or repair the back from the inside and keep it as original as possible. It's kind of wavy too, like it got wet or something. But that's what I do. I like to build from scratch. I'm learning to build from scratch, and I like to fix broken ones that have no home. Find a home for them. And if you want to see more videos from the Angry Mushroom Emporium, click on one of the links, and we'll talk to you later. And there was fire on the mountain, lightning in the air, golden mountain hills, and it's waiting for me there.